Hey there, plant lovers! Today I'm diving into the magical world of growing orchids. These beauties are often seen as delicate and difficult to grow, but I'm here to show you that with a little know-how, anyone can cultivate these stunning flowers. First things first, let's talk about choosing the right orchid. With over 25,000 species, it can be overwhelming. But don't worry, Phalaenopsis or moth orchids are perfect for beginners. They're hardy, forgiving, and bloom for months. Next up, let's discuss the environment. Orchids are tropical plants, so they love humidity and indirect light. A bright windowsill is perfect, but avoid direct sunlight. It can scorch those delicate leaves. If you're in a dry climate, a humidity tray or a room humidifier can work wonders. Now let's dig into the soil. Unlike most plants, orchids don't grow in regular soil. They prefer a special orchid mix containing bark, perlite, and sphagnum moss. This mix provides excellent drainage and air circulation, mimicking their natural habitat. Watering orchids can be tricky. The key is to let the mix dry out between waterings. Overwatering is the #1 killer of orchids, so when in doubt, wait another day. A good rule of thumb is to water them once a week. And don't forget, always use room temperature water. Feeding time. Orchids aren't heavy feeders, but they do appreciate a little boost. Use a balanced orchid fertilizer every 2 weeks while they're growing, but cut back during the winter months. Remember, less is more with these guys. Repotting is another important step. Orchids usually need repotting every 1 to 2 years. When the roots start growing out of the pod or the potting mix breaks down, it's time for a new home. Choose a pot that's just a bit larger than the current one, and don't forget to use fresh orchid mix. And there you have it. With a bit of patience and the right care, you can enjoy these enchanting flowers year-round. Orchids bring a touch of elegance and a splash of color to any home. Thanks for watching and happy growing. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more plant care tips. See you in the next one.